Hi guys, Korynn here at Crocker's Paint and Wallpaper. I'm one of the Crocker family here and I'm also the director of the Art Passage, and today I want to let you in on a little secret of mine. For a long time I've actually been using wallpaper in a lot of my own art. Some of the pieces behind me you can see here, I've actually incorporated both the wallpaper and actually some liquid glass, which is a Nor glass product that we also have downstairs. So come and have a look at these. I'm going to point out the little areas. You might be able to pick some of the wallpaper in them. So as an artist, I specialize in oil and cold wax, but of recent, I have been incorporating some non-traditional mediums into my work. So these works here are also available for purchase, but the reason I'm telling you this is because at Crocker's at the moment, we are getting rid of a stack of wallpaper books, all of which are the type of things that I use in my art. So over here you can see some of these books have the most incredible designs in them. Wallpaper is not only used for your walls or art, it's good for covering canvases in, it's also really good for scrapbooking, making cards out of. There's a lot of really cool things you can do with the wallpaper. So feel free to pop in. We're still open, we're well, we're healthy here, and all of this you could take home with you. So these books are originally valued at over $100, but what we're doing is we're getting rid of these for as little as $10, some of them around $30. So feel free to pop up into the showroom today, have a look at the art on the wall, have a look at the wallpaper books, and pick out something nice for yourself.